You can completely change and customize the way your app looks. This is where you set your app icon. This will be the icon that users see on their device. So if you have a smartphone, whenever you see your apps on the phone, that's what you'll be clicking on. This is where you can change the different themes and styles. You can also change how you want your icons laid out. And then when you're happy, you can click on save. Next, we have the color schemes. So you can choose from some of our ready-made ones, or you can pick your own. So for example, say you want to change your icon's title. Let's say instead of a white, I want it to be red, or I want it to be black, or yellow. And then I can just click on choose. Or if you go to the text, maybe I don't want the title to be white, maybe I want it to be black instead, and the main text to be a different color. Well, then I can do that just simply by dragging and dropping the color changer, and it will update in real time. Background settings, I can either choose to have a color, so we can set a color gradient as our background. So let's say I want red. I could click on save. Or what I can do is add my own background image. So we give you the sizes that it has to be. This is for when you're holding your phone upright, and then the next image is when it's landscape mode, when people tilt their phone sideways. And I can just click on save. So you'll see how easy this all is. It really is just point and click. There's an overlay color on your background which you can add. So I could add a red and make it more of a red tint to my background. So if you look at the emulator, you'll see how that changes. Or a green. So you can see the various effects that you can control. It's key to remember that you can have your app looking any way you want. You can change the home button and the back button. So let's just have a look. So I can change, there's the home button. I'll show you the back button. There's the back button, so I can change them if I want. And then this is the splash screen. This is what people will see when they open up your app for the first time. It'll just be an image, which you can use for your own branding purposes. We give away the size. They must be in a .png. And last but not least, you can also change your header settings. You can have it text or you can have it image based. So if I choose an image, click on done, save, you'll see the image appears. So that's how easy it is to change the look and feel of your application. So when you use the look and feel section, you can use whatever you want and just get it working to the way you want. You can change your list background colors. So I could have that red, and then the hover color. I can change the hover color to maybe a green. I'll maybe make it a bit transparent. So you can see there how it works. I can change my content background. I could make it white. And then you can change the transparency level. Red, whatever color you want, you can set it, and you just click and choose, and then once you're happy you just click save, and you can do this for every part of your app. Now underneath this video I'm going to provide resources for where you can find icons and the sizes that each of your images need to be.